Hi friend, this is Raj and you are watching For Education channel. Today I will discuss you in this video Indo-US nuclear deal. What is the importance between Indo-US nuclear deals? Indo-US nuclear deals is in the since it was the announced on 18 July 2005 when the Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh visited America. The separation plan about the nuclear reactors were finalized when President Bush visited India in 2nd March 2006. The deal was subsequently passed in the House of Representatives, Senate, and finally signed by their President in December 2006. As there were still oppositions to the deals in both the countries, many more sessions were held between the profession, foreign secretaries, security advisors, and foreign ministers of both the countries. Finally, the final text on 123 agreement was released in both the countries simultaneously on 2nd August 2007. The PM briefed the cabinet. The opposition leaders and the allies of the government still or doubt criticisms of the deals. Let's some important factors we talk about the US nuclear deals. India's always Pakistan's and Israel's is not a signatory to the NPT. India has not signed the NPT due to it being discriminatory in nature and possessions of nuclear weapons by China and Pakistan. India had carried out first nuclear test in 1974. India declared that its test was the use of nuclear power for useful purpose. But when India conducted nuclear test in 1998 at Pokhran, she told the world that India is a nuclear nation. India has only 0.8% of the world uranium, which is mainly required for generating of energy. India has 25% of the world thorium, and it is also known as the biggest and world first countries of the thoriums. India having the first place to having the thoriums. To process electricity through thorium's uranium's route is very costly. Nuclear Supplier Group (NSG), a group of 45 countries, is not giving uranium to India as we have not signed the NPT. India's required release nuclear energies to boost its economy. If there is no power in the factories, foreign companies would be discouraged to invest in India. Some of the deals with US and the other countries, it's make India's irresponsible de facto nuclear test. This status is given to India as no countries can raise any fingers at India's about proliferations of nuclear weapon. It is unlike Pakistan's, which has been accused of proliferations by passing nuclear technologies to North Korea, Iran, and Libya. Secondly, as Indian countries we de jure nuclear powers as it does not qualities of given date 1st January 1967, it has been designed as de facto nuclear power. Uranium from Nuclear Supplier Group (NSG), Nuclear Supplier Groups Union, uranium from nuclear supplier groups. The Americans have assured India that they, along with their allies, will impress upon the NSG nuclear supplier groups to treat India as a special case, as India needs uranium to generate energies for its economy. Individually, many countries like Russia, Germany, France, Brazil, South Africa have agreed to sell uranium to India. Separations to nuclear plant. Both countries have agreed to separations plans for civil use for military's use is the today. As of today, 14 nuclear plants have been declared to civils and 8 have been put under military use in the India. The controversial Kalpakkam plant, where the research is on the produce from thorium, uranium, potassium, has been put under military categories as India desired. These all are things which has been put under the Indians control. A lot of the things which have been taken from the another countries. This is important sessions with us for discussing in these topics, because it's have to come many times in the examinations. So everyone have to need to know about this controversies of this India, China, India, Pakistan's. It is required. If we talking about the controversy about the deal is about the following point. Following points is there for discussing the controversies. Reprocessing of spent fuels. Finally, India was not given the right of reprocess and spent fuel. Reprocessing means with the use of advanced technology, one can take out unable uraniums and plutoniums from the spent fuel after India acceptance of IAEA safeguard. America has agreed for the reprocessing right. And second things, future denotations by India. One of the cost of the agreement said in India denotes a nuclear explosions in the future. The Americas have the right of the terminate the agreement with discussions with India about the change circumstance under which India was approved by the explosions. India's stand is that India has already declared voluntary moratoriums on future explosions. But if the circumstance change, China, Pakistan explode the nuclear weapon, India may explode the weapons. Continuous flows of fuels, Americans have denied but later have agreed that they have to stop the fuels technologies to India. Due to this causes India to free to take supplies of fuels from other countries, and Americas would help India to get the same. Okay. Iran factors and four more things. Iran factors, Americas are worried about becomes economics nuclear, so they want India to cooperate with Americas by the keeping away from India. India has convinced Americas that being sovereign nations, India can decide its foreign policies. So ever this is conditions is passed in Hardey Act, non-binding on India. India has also made it clear that it went off Iranian's gas, so the negotiations about the gas are on. India internal problems. There are strong oppositions from the BJPs and communist about the deals. The BJP is annoyed as the credit of the deals is being taken to the Congress. Thank you. Bye bye. Like, comment and share to my channel for more informations. Thank you. Bye bye.